Hello everyone, we from Shamato School. Today we will to present project the study of physical factor and past surface characteristics affecting the diversity of lichen. My name is Arathai Masid.
My name is Lungiwarawit.
And my name is Sushanan Prasanan. Introduction: Lichen are organisms that live an interdependent relationship with green algae, cyanobacteria, and fungi. Green algae and cyanobacteria in lichen are called photobiont and the fungus microbiont.
Plate. Study point designation is Monument of Phraya Ratsadanupradit Mahisorn Phakdi or Khaw Ranong in Trang, Thailand.
Objective of the research 1. To study the relationship of physical characteristics related to lichen diversity in the area of study. 2. To explore the diversity of lichen on the surface of each type of bark in the area of study.
Research question 1. Physical characteristics affect the diversity of lichen around the area of study. 2. The characteristics of each type of bark are related to the diversity of lichen around the area of study.
Research hypothesis 1. Suitable physical affecting the diversity of lichen around the area of study. 2. Different bark characteristics contribute to the diversity of lichen in the area of study.
Material and equipment. CU Smart Lens, tape line, pH meter, notebook, stationery, tape rule, soil moisture pH line meter, digital hygrometer.
Protocol and method for conducting research. Principle of biosphere infection. Method: study species of lichen and group of lichen. Set up the study issue and select the topic. Then study and find information and theory about lichen from the reliable source. Then export the study the lichen in the area of study. Studying the lichen on the tree at height of 1.5 meter from the ground. First, use the tape rule to measure the height of tree and study lichen by taking pictures from them with CU Smart Lens at 20x magnification with the telephone. Then record information to categorize the lichen.
Principle of atmosphere measurement method. Study the outside temperature and relative humidity, which can be measured from the park by touching the shell surface using a temperature and humidity meter. Repeat 3 times and record data.
Principle of phytosphere or soil measurement. Study the physical characteristics of the soil in terms of soil moisture, soil life, soil intensity, and pH. Use the soil moisture pH line meter to probe the soil and press the button to adjust to the desired volume. On the left is moisture content of the soil, as shown in the result in the second row of the screen. Next, measure the light intensity in the soil by adjusting the knob to the middle volume. Then display the result in row 1. Form a mode and adjust to the north row third soil pH. Display in the third row from top of screen. Repeat 3 times and record the data.
Table 1 shows the relationship between bark characteristics, species of tree, the number of species of lichen, and the physical characteristic. It was found the temperature was between 28.2 and 33.1 Celsius. The relative humidity in the soil was between 1 and 3.13. The pH in the soil between 7.5 and 8.03. The light intensity was between 116.667 and 783.333 lux, and the relative humidity in the air was between 36.97 and 46%, and total of number of lichen was species are 22.
Table 2 show the characteristic of the bark.
Table 3 shows relationship between air quality and species of lichen. It was found highly grouped in the most. Conclusion: From study lichen in the area of study, it was found that the physical characteristics that affect the lichen vary because its effect to the tree on which they grow. From collecting data by studying temperature outside of the tree, its light intensity, pH of the soil, moisture, bark appearance, and species of lichen found. A variety of lichen species can be found among the physical characteristics that are conducive to lichen growth.
From the study, it so far the characteristics of the bark can be classified into two groups, consisting of scary appearance, 9 species of tree, found 11 species of lichen and 3 species of smooth appearance, found 2 species of lichen and 9 species of lichen that can grow up broad group. Lichen can be classified into 3 climate assessment groups, highly hardy 3 species of lichen, 12 species in Hartley and seven species in mine.
And it was highly group of lichen, which is caused by fungi that are more abundant than green algae, therefore making it possible to see less green in the lichen area, and are often found area with fair weather, so the area of study located in the urban area. However, a survey found a large number of lichen in the good weather. This indicates that the area has good weather as well. Thank you for your attention.